Have you ever wondered how the matter around us get their mass on the fundamental level? This is the Higgs boson. The Higgs boson is a fundamental particle, just like the electron. It has a neutral charge, a mass of 125 giga-electron volts, and an associated field with it called the Higgs field. The Higgs field is not like a field on which we can grow crops. It's rather an invisible kind of force field that covers us all. But what exactly does it do? And why is it such a big deal in science? Let's take an example. Now that's more like it. I have a bowl of water, two balls, ball A and ball B in front of me. When I take ball A and dip it in water, it gets wet. The more it interacts with water, the wetter it gets. Now let's take ball B. If I don't dip it into the water, it doesn't interact with it. Therefore, it doesn't get wet. A similar thing happens when fundamental particles pass through the Higgs field. The particles that interact with it, like quarks, gain mass, and the particles that don't, like photons, remain massless. Every particle passes through the Higgs field and gains mass relative to their interaction. That's why some particles are heavier and slower, whereas others are lighter and faster. This discovery of the Higgs boson at LHC CERN, a place where physicists like to smash things into things, has helped us understand the problem that arose in the 1970s related to the electroweak force, a force that combines two of the four fundamental forces, the electromagnetic force and the weak nuclear force. According to its basic equation, the particles of the electromagnetic force, photons, and the particles of the weak nuclear force, W and Z bosons, had no mass. It is true for the electromagnetic force, but the particles of the weak nuclear force had mass. So where was it? This is where Peter Higgs and his fellow scientists entered. They theorized the existence of an invisible field that gives mass to every fundamental particle. This discovery of the Higgs boson just proved that theory. Furthermore, Higgs boson has also helped us to perfect the Standard Model even more. But most important of all, it has become an inspiration for every scientist in the world to put out new theories. It has become a stepping stone that is leading us straight towards the theory of the everything. It is the start of an infinite journey. Thank you.